We're at Garden Court in Peace River, Alberta, a senior's house here in Peace River. And the reason we're here and we're so happy is because we helped out a client in probably one of the fastest time frames we've ever done for a restoration job. We had 63 units here, completely flood, that needed to be packed out, demoed, everything removed and completely rebuilt. And we finished all 63 units in 99 days and had everyone back in here living and happy.
I was in just flat shoes and I was walking in water like this. Opening doors, and of course the water was pooling in the room, so as you open the door it's like gushing out, and it was bad.
Water came all the way up to the counter. The water had been all the way to the window. We were evacuated and we went and hoteled it.
It was more than a water leak, and they said they were concerned everybody had to leave. They were concerned that ceilings would fall in or floors would fall in or whatever, right? It was terrible.
It was fight or flight mode. It's, you know, you weren't prepared for something of this kind to happen.
ServiceMaster Restore was a great company to have in our town.
They showed up here, it was 2 days after the flood. The minute they got here, did the quick tour, it was immediately. They were on everything right away.
They were very calm and they were very reassuring.
At that time, we had no idea who had content insurance and who didn't. So it was a foundation decision. Let's get everybody to the hotel.
Huge success due to their cooperation between North Peace Housing, RMA Insurance, that just said, you know what, let's just get the senior back into their unit as fast as you can.
I was quite surprised that we got back in 3.5 months. My son made me a little table that opens this way so that I can do my crossword puzzles or whatever, and I'm right there. I spent a lot of time in that chair. I was concerned about that. It was so nice to come home and everything's clean, painted, cupboards are all washed down, new flooring, like it was unbelievable. It's everything and more than what I thought of. Unbelievable, I was happy to get home.
They truly do. They alleviated a lot of tension and stress off of me and the residents. They went over and above at all times. You know, whether it be somebody needed something packed out or they needed transporting to their unit, to escort, to gather things, there was nothing that they ever said no to. We had a couple that was gone away for the winter, and they took it upon themselves to unpack their whole entire unit, put it all away exactly the way it was, so when those residents came back from Mexico, they had nothing to do. They are absolutely 100% in the hospitality business.
Definitely we have to thank RMA Insurance. RMA was vital in the process of making this happen. They gave us approvals to move forward with things and do things as quick as we possibly could. Our staff that were here, so we had several staff here, specifically 2 leads, Jessica and Daniel. They were on site for just over 3 months, for 99 days, getting everything done. They were absolutely massive. They became friends with all the seniors here, all the property managers, the maintenance team.
Too bad that we needed their services, but it was really a great, they did an ideal job.
ServiceMaster Restore of Edmonton was an absolute pleasure to work with. They absolutely restored my peace of mind.
At ServiceMaster Restore of Edmonton, we go the extra smile.
We definitely go the extra smile.